We established the business about 20 years ago, and the directors of the business that came from a surveying and an architectural background, which was a great combination to see what we could do with a particular opportunity. The growth has been very organic. We haven't pushed for huge growth. It's been more about what we felt we could do comfortably and still deliver the quality that is essential to the business.
When we started the business, the intention was to build homes that we'd like to live in ourselves, not just in terms of the location, but also the quality and the style of the houses.
We believe that we build good quality houses with good quality materials. We're very keen to work with local businesses, local suppliers, tradesmen that once they start to work with us, they understand and they treat the houses almost as their own, and they're keen to do a really good job.
The tradespersons we've got on site and contractors, they are very skilled, highly motivated and exceptionally good at their jobs. And it's a breeze to actually monitor and check their work, and it just shows on the end product.
We've always enjoyed doing conversions as well as new builds, and in particular sites of a mix of conversions and new builds, where we can bring a bit of the history of the site and also bring some new design to the project.
Where I feel Grace Homes is different is in the choice of our sites, the spacious nature of our layouts. We always have plenty of parking, garaging. The houses are generally bigger in larger plots.
We don't build standard house types as such. We try to make each house individual in its own right, with slight changes to porches or to fireplaces, or little details that give each house its own individuality.
We offer a very personalised service. We appreciate customers have got busy lives and they're working and can't always come into the office, so we can see them out of hours, give them an evening appointment to come and choose their kitchens and their bathrooms. As a builder, we are very flexible and we do talk to our customers. We want the customers to have the home that they want. So if there are any minor changes that we can make throughout the build, we will be happy to talk to them and see if we can accommodate that.
As construction director, my main responsibility is to look after the site management team and the commercial team. We monitor their progress, we look at their programmes, we ensure that they have suitable resource and materials in order to deliver houses to the time frame that we aim to.
As part of my role, I do a final quality inspection of the houses before they're handed over to our customers. This is to endeavour to make sure that they are as perfect as we can possibly make them.
My job is to help the customer through this journey to make it as smooth a process as possible. We liaise directly with solicitors, estate agents and mortgage lenders to make sure everything's in place in a timely fashion.
Quality is really important to us, and we achieve some really high standards. But it's extremely important that any opportunity where we can improve quality is seen and grasped. We have a culture where anyone within the business who sees an opportunity to improve what we do can speak up. And part of my role is engendering that culture where we can constantly keep improving quality.
There's great satisfaction of literally finishing a product, which is something like Phase 3 is nearly 2 years' work, and actually being able to stand back and actually appreciate to see what I've done and what my teamwork have done. And it's just nice to see and nice feeling that everyone's happy with the end product that we've done.